Did you know that although the word free is not mentioned all too often in the tax code, there are ways of generating income that are tax-free? A common known one is sale of your house. Essentially, $250,000 worth of profit as a single person or $500,000 worth of profit as a married couple is tax-free on your home. The only caveat is it needs to be your primary residence in 3 out of the last 5 years. But don't worry, if you don't meet the 3-year requirement, it doesn't mean you lose that exclusion entirely. Say, for example, you've only lived there a year and a half. A year and a half is 1/2 of the 3-year requirement, so you still can deduct up to 1/2 of the exclusion, which is $125,000 for single or $250,000 for married. That's a nice little nest egg in your pocket, and you don't have to reinvest it in a new house. Other items that can be tax-free. Did you know you can sell stock or any other appreciated asset and have it be taxed at a 0% tax rate if your income is under $35,000 for a single or $70,700 for a married couple? That seems simple enough, but let's say you're above that income level. Well, gift the stock to a child or a senior who's in those low tax brackets and let them sell the stock and pay 0 tax on it. Another good tax-free income is if you have a vacation home. You're allowed to rent it for under 15 days a year, and that income is free of taxes. That's right, free. So rent out your little vacation home for a couple weeks out of the year and put that extra money in your pocket. 2 other tax-free items are Roth IRAs and educational assistance programs. Many of us know about the Roth IRA. As long as the contribution is there at least 5 years, then the earnings are tax-free when you take it out. That's right, it's free. The other thing is an educational assistance program. This is a tool we use a lot in our small businesses. You can give your employees up to $5,250 in free tuition reimbursement. That's right, free. So in many cases of our small businesses, we put our kids on the payroll, have them do a few odd jobs around the business, and we give them $5,000 in wages and $5,000 in tuition reimbursement. Let's face it, it's $10,000 you would have had to give to them anyway for their college tuition. Let's turn it into a write-off. So let's take advantage of these few tax-free income items and use them to our advantage. Speak to your accountant and find out other ways that you might save money and still generate income.